Now that we have our main logic implemented, we can write a set of view functions that allow us to call and read the storage of the contract, to query the data without actually calling an endpoint, and pay the gas. This is done by observers, which don't actually take a fee. We can have simple view functions or actual functions that act like views. To have a so-called simple view or simple to implement a view function, we can state when defining a storage mapper, that storage mapper and the data in the storage mapper is also a view. For example, for the offers, we can here define with the view keyword that we can query the offer's storage by providing an ID and getting the data about the offer. So basically, the proper naming for this view function would be getOffer. We can do the same thing for the last offer ID. We are able to read the storage about an offer by providing the ID of the offer. We can also create a view that returns a list of all the offers created by an address or a list of all the offers that can be accepted by a specific address. For this, we could create some new storage mappers. We could have a storage mapper for created offers. The address will be the key here. The address would be in many styles. We would need a storage mapper that is able to hold the list and to provide us with means to easily query the storage, like getting a list and iterating through all the registered data. A good storage mapper that holds a list but does not keep the order of the elements. It will hold a list of offer IDs. We could also copy this and have the same thing for wanted offers. But in the case of unordered set mapper, we cannot simply put the view keyboard as it will not work dealing with a list. So for this, we'll need some custom public view functions. First, we could have function getCreatedOffers. This will receive the address, which is a managed address, and it will return a list of offers. We can use the multi-value encoded value, encoded type, which will be a multi-value 2. That would be a pair of offer ID and the offer containing the entire data about the offer. Let's create a new multi-value encoded instance that will be returned. Let's now add a new private function. getOfferResult, which takes an offer ID and returns the previously stated multi-value 2, consisting of the offer ID and the actual offer. Now we can use the created private function getOfferById to provide the offer ID. We will read the offer and then it simply returns the multi-value 2 from the offer ID and offer. Coming back to getCreatedOffers, we will iterate over all the wanted offer an address has. And we'll push inside the result variable an item, which in our case is a multi-value 2, which is returned by the getOffers result. We can do the same thing for the getWantedOffers. And finally, we need to use the view keyword to state that these are public functions.